likely to be sworn in as the only women cabinet minister. BJP Manipur President Bhavananda asserts BJP making efforts to end blockade as promised. Captain Amarinder Singh of Congress becomes the 26th Chief Minister of Punjab. And long-distance races throwing of water by young men and women Thabal Chongma mark the last day of Yawsang. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithima Monica with the latest news updates. All the elected members and the rest of ministers of the newly formed BJP government are likely to be sworn in on the same day the floor test is being held. Sources said Nimchap Kipgen, who is elected from Kangpopi, is likely to be sworn in as the only woman minister of the cabinet. It is not yet clear which parties will get the remaining 2 cabinet posts. Sources also said 19 elected members of BJP who were not given cabinet posts yesterday left Imphal for Guwahati today. Same sources also claimed that all of them are now staying in Guwahati. They said they are trying to strengthen the government which are formed after removing the Congress government. The sources denied any difference of opinions among the elected members of the BJP and its ally, the NPF. The BJP has been making efforts to end the indefinite economic blockade. BJP Manipur Pradesh President KSH Bhavananda today told the media that, as promised during election campaign, that if the party comes to power, it will end the economic blockade in 24 hours. The BJP is making all possible efforts to translate its promise into action. He was responding to media query at the reception of 4 ADC members of Chandal who have joined the BJP today at the party's office at Nichaipa to take. The 4 Congress ADC members who have joined the BJP are Ngamkholal Baite of 22 Suknu, CH Ngamthang Mate of 14 Sibong, T Saithang Haukip of 18 Songzang and Limkhozam Haukip of 24 Toling. Bhavananda says the BJP welcomes anybody who have faith in the party.
Angasi Chandel ADC member Mari Yamasu Congress resign Toraga BJP Sangage na Quita Thare Masi Ayabase Yang Pizakre NPP na pull out to Wigis Equity Tazadri, Tadri, Aquida Dugi Pong, to the work of game late. NPP and Punazaminari, bring a side, so I used to pull up meeting Domine, Karigumbadu, Muiwa from Late.
A special meeting of the cabinet ministers and MLAs was held today with Chief Minister N. Bireen in the chair today to discuss the ongoing economic blockade. The meeting unanimously decided to appeal for lifting of the economic blockade. Chief Secretary Onnabakishore yesterday convened a joint meeting of additional Chief Secretaries, Commissioners, Secretaries and Heads of Departments at Old Secretariat Conference Hall. A press release issued by DIPR says the Chief Secretary explained the priorities and commitments of the new government to all the administrative heads. The Chief Secretary also asked all the Head of Departments to prepare PowerPoint presentation on the performance of the departments to present before the new government. Manipur Government Services Federation and Manipur State Pensioners Association have welcomed the new BJP government led by Nongthombam Bireen. In a press release, the federation hopes that the new government will lift the 4-month-old economic blockade and remove corruption in the state. Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam, Aibalup Assam, Hosai and Manipuri Women Association Assam have welcomed the BJP government in Manipur. In separate press releases, they expressed the hope that the government led by N. Bireen will take the state forward. Unidentified persons allegedly fired at the house of Thokchom Akasini at Sagolban Khamnam Leirak on the night of March 12 around 10:30 p.m. The family came to realize about the firing today when they saw the keyboard of a computer broken after hit by the bullet which came through the roof. Akasini appeals not to repeat such incident in the future. Central government employees in Manipur joined the one-day strike today to protest low-wage hike recommended by the 7th Pay Commission and press other long-pending demands. Employees of the head post office at Babupara ceased work and locked the office today. People who were not aware about the strike came to the office to collect letters and parcels.
Stage koi all India go na Confederation of Central Government Employees ki makada koi government na 7th Commission da koi yam restricted oiba decision loba akoi recommendation da akoi assurance ma piraga madu tawte da akoi yamna mona jadaba attitude utpa asi mayam si khalaga koi competition makada koi saruk jajabone masi akoi government akoi warning amane akoi Arun Jeli mukona akoi da thamba assurance mayam du fail orak podagi akoi da fulfill tawdabudagi akoi competition lobo firemni adu akai gumba masida ngasi gisda akoi afaba result laktragadi makata na mu sangna chathabagi film lai
12 Assam rifles arrested two suspected ISIS agents on the 14th of this month at permanent vehicle checkpost Kuding Thabi. They were travelling in a Maruti van bearing registration number WB02AD1072. They are identified as Nina Mohammed, 56 years, and Abu Bakr, 46 years, from Tamil Nadu. Assam Rifles personnel seized 14 SIM cards and 75,000 rupees in Indian currency and a huge amount in foreign currencies. They told police that they left Kolkata on March 9 and travelled through Assam and reached Dimapur on March 10. Then they came to Imphal and went to Mori. This was their second visit to Manipur. A 25-minute documentary film on mob justice in the name of justice was screened by Advocacy for Justice and Peace in Manipur (AGPM) at Nungbrang Awang Lekai in Imphal East on March 14. The film was produced by Damodar Arambam with the support of Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Criminal Justice Fellowship, Mumbai. The film highlights the rampant mob justice happening in the state. The Assam has condemned the 24-hour ultimatum given by CSOs of Ziribam to withdraw the social boycott right after the Assam called for the social boycott as a protest against the election of non-Manipuri in Ziribam constituency. The Assam in a press release asked why the CSOs of indigenous Manipuri Muslims are supporting him. The Assam will organize a people convention on March 19 at ZM Hall to discuss the matter. On the last day of Yaosang, young people applied colors on each other and enthusiastically threw water to passers-by on the road. People, including young children, threw water on each other right from noon till late evening in different parts of Imphal. Such scenes were witnessed on Indo-Burma Road and Tidim Road in the heart of Imphal. Young men in two-wheelers as well as large four-wheelers carried water in plastic bags and threw them towards the passers-by without worrying about the consequences. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Captain Amarinder Singh took oath as the 26th Chief Minister of Punjab today in a ceremony attended by senior Congress leaders including former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and Party Vice President Rahul Gandhi. Amarinder Singh was administered the oath by Punjab Governor VP Singh at the Raj Bhavan. The state can have a maximum of 18 ministers. The Congress has 77 MLAs in the Assembly. 2 days before the ceremony, the Punjab Congress had said it would be a simple affair. Amarinder Singh had also urged all newly elected MLAs to keep their personal invitations to the bare minimum. Two days after Bharatiya Janata Party leader Manohar Parrikar was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Goa, the BJP-led government in Goa won the crucial floor test today. The vote of confidence was ordered by the Supreme Court on Tuesday. This was after the Congress requested the Apex Court to stay the swearing-in of Parrikar and his cabinet, which the Apex Court rejected. Parrikar was sworn in as the Chief Minister on Wednesday. Goa voted for a hung assembly on February 4 when it went to polls. The Congress was the single largest party with 17 MLAs, though it came 4 short of a majority. The Maharashtra Gomantak Party MGP and Goa Forward Party GFP won 3 seats each. One Nationalist Congress Party NCP MLA won his own seats, and the Debutant Aam Aadmi Party drew a blank. 3 independent MLAs completed the tally in the 40-member assembly. Releasing a world ranking of the number of women parliamentarians that placed India 148, Pumzel Milabo Nungcha, the head of UN Women, has called for representations reservations for women. The rankings of all 193 UN member countries released yesterday by the Inter-Parliamentary Union and UN Women showed that women made up 11.8% of the Lok Sabha, where 64 were elected to the 542-member House, and 11% of the Rajya Sabha, with 27 of the 245 members. India ranked 88 in the number of women ministers, with 5 or 18.5% in the cabinet. However, women hold important positions. Sumitra Mahajan is the Speaker and Sushma Swaraj is the External Affairs Minister. Now news from the world of sports. Pognapam team emerged winners of the cricket event in the 6th All Manipur Working Journalists Union Sports Meet. Pognapam defeated ISTV Network in the final, played at Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School ground. In the first semi-final, ISTV Network defeated Shanghai Express, while Pognapam defeated Impact TV in the second semi-final. 6 teams from different media houses competed in the event. Selection trial for the 20th East Zone Senior Kho-Kho Championships 2017 to be held in Guwahati will be held on March 19. Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association in a press release said the selection will be conducted at Basu Ground, Kangabok at 7 a.m. Yaoksang Sports Festival concluded with marathon races on the 5th and last day of Yaoksang Festival today. Long-distance races were held in various parts of the state today, marking the closing of the Yaoksang Sports Festival. Kanchipur, Lilong, Waithau, Thoubal, Samurao, Khumbong, Malom and Nambol were the destinations of the races organized by different clubs in Imphal. The races were participated by all age groups, including children and elderly people. Onlookers in various lekai offered water and juice to the runners as they passed through the roads. People on the roadsides encouraged and cheered the runners, clapping their hands.
चलो
DJ shows also have become an integral part of Yaoksang celebrations in the state in the last 3 to 4 years. The last day of the festival witnessed DJ shows in different areas of the valley. The DJ show at Luang Popa Cricket Stadium in Hengang was the biggest show. A large number of young men and women participated in the show and danced to the songs. Locals warned the organizers to discontinue the show after some of the young men started misbehaving under the influence of intoxicants.
Big techno.
Thabal Chomba, which is an integral part of Yaoksang celebrations, was organized in various localities across the valley with young men and women enjoying it. People have been organizing Thabal Chomba from the first day of the festival. It is also being held on the last day of the festival today in different areas. Apart from the traditional Thabal Chomba, which is meant for unmarried young boys and girls, transgenders are also organizing it. Thabal Chomba was also held in various residential areas where people, including married men and women and children, danced to the beat of drum and music. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Namcha Kipgen is likely to be sworn in as the only women cabinet minister. BJP Manipur President Bhavananda asserts BJP is making efforts to end blockade as promised. Captain Amarinder Singh of Congress becomes the 26th Chief Minister of Punjab. And long-distance races, throwing of water by young men and women, Thawal Chongba mark the last day of Yawsa.